Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish collection of 3D style borderline embroidery designs. And these borderline embroidery designs could be used for a wide variety of reasons. As I have always shared different type of stylized patterns of borderline embroidery into my previous videos as well. And the response is always overwhelming. All of you like my every video of borderline embroidery. So in order to see the response of that, I am sharing some more very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery. The beauty and creativity makes them much more beautiful and elegant, and they are bidimensional that they could be equally used for hand embroidery as well as for machine embroidery. All of these borderline embroidery design patterns could be used for prayer mat, designing for tablecloth, for different type of cushion covers, pillow covers, and even designing the different DIY decor items of your home as hoop art, as wall art, as curtain covers, as chair covers, and dining table, tablecloth, and different type of stylized patterns as well. And the beauty and creativity is not only specific to this, the scope is wide in its perspective. That is, you can use them for designing your dresses, like you can design the four corners of your dupatta, scarf, stroller, even sari palus, even blouses, even blouse neckline, kurti neckline, even hemline in a parallel fashion, in even the borders of your sleeves, trousers, jalebias, abayas as well. So I hope that you have been liking the previous videos and you are liking the today's design collection as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. Up till then, thank you so much for watching. And you can also subscribe from many other devices if you already have subscribed from one device.